Hi there, it's Ian Gray here with the Lower Coast Building Group at our Montauk showroom project. We had the privilege of working on this project with Montauk Furniture. Of course, they've got great sofas here, and Ivan Quintana, big shout out to you for letting us help you out on this project. It was super neat to work on a project like this in Vancouver's Chinatown. There's a lot of history here. This building used to be a bank. There's a vault in the back. Through its years, it's been a restaurant, probably a few restaurants, and most recently a cannabis store, which had some very eclectic murals. So when you work on a project like this, a heritage project, an old building that's been renovated countless times through the ages, you're definitely going to run into some challenges when you open up walls, and maybe your design ideas have to be augmented a little bit to deal with the building as it is. And that's what we do as builders, is to talk with the designers and come up with solutions that achieve the project goals. And there's more than a few things that we did on this project which are a little bit unique, which I'd like to show you. So one of the cool details in this showroom here is this concrete faux finish we got. And so we did 30-foot steel studs here to go over the existing surface. And then coming up with the details of this finish, the details are very important. So we came up with a number of samples, actually couriered them to Montreal to get approval because we all knew that this was going to make or break this project, and we're super happy with how it finished. We think it looks really great. So another really cool thing about working on this project is we often finish spaces immaculately and people bring in their dumpy furniture. Well, that's not what happened here at Montauk, because you got some of the coolest kitchens we've ever seen in our lives. These are Valcuccini kitchens. Very European, very clean edges. But one of the requirements for that is that the flooring needs to be absolutely flat. And again, because this was a heritage project, there was probably 6 layers of different flooring, so the floor leveling, where we use an automatic floor leveler, was absolutely critical, and this floor turned out great, and that allowed these kitchens to really shine. So another really cool thing about working on a project like this was these old beams, these 8x16 timbers. It's impossible to get wood like this these days, so it was super wonderful on a project like this to sandblast them to really show the wood fibers, and then wash them with these pot lights, giving the space a really cool look. So this is one of our super exciting commercial projects. I hope you enjoyed some of the features we showed off. If you want to learn more about how Lower Coast builds and what we do, check us out on the web, lowercoast.com. We'd love to have a chat with you and discuss your project in the future. So that's
very good. One more time. You did really great until the end.
Yeah, okay. Some really neat features here I hope you like. There's I gotta walk this off. Washing them with this nice track lighting.